unlocking the power of playing the trump card in conversations. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, read in books, or come across in conversations: play the trump card. We'll explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own English conversations. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding these expressions can add depth to your communication skills. So, let's get started. Play the trump card refers to using a hidden or powerful advantage to gain the upper hand in a situation. It's like having a secret weapon or an ace up your sleeve that you reveal at the perfect moment to turn the tables in your favor. This phrase is often used in contexts where strategy, competition, or negotiation is involved. When someone plays their trump card, they're making a significant move that could potentially decide the outcome of the entire situation. The term trump card originates from card games, where a specific card or suit is designated as the trump, giving it the power to beat other cards that would normally be considered higher in value. The concept of a trump card has been around for centuries, symbolizing an unexpected power or advantage. By understanding this origin, you can better appreciate the weight and strategy implied when someone mentions playing their trump card in real-life scenarios. Using "play the trump card" in conversations adds a layer of sophistication to your language. It's perfect for discussions about business, personal achievements, or even friendly debates. Here's how you can incorporate it. In arguments or debates. Just when we thought there was no solution, Sarah played her trump card, revealing a loophole in the contract that saved the deal. In storytelling, the underdog team played their trump card in the final minutes of the game, a strategy they had kept secret until that pivotal moment. In everyday conversations, I was hesitant to agree, but then he played his trump card, offering a guarantee that I couldn't refuse. Understanding and using phrases like "play the trump card" can enrich your English conversations and help you express complex ideas with ease. It's not just about the words. It's about the strategic and dynamic aspects of communication that make language so powerful. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting expression and that you'll feel confident using it in your own conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content to boost your English learning journey.